I see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
What's up, guys? I am Courtney B, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to unbox and review the iRobot Roomba, the 675. I got it as a Christmas gift from my husband for Christmas. So yeah, I am going to open it up, and hopefully the instructions are really easy, but I want to go ahead and put it to use because I see a lot of crumbs on my floor from Madison and crumbs from Ava. And then also, please excuse my voice. We are getting over the flu in this house. So yeah, that's why I sound a little bit congested, but I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and start unboxing the iRobot. What is this? Quick insert with the instructions. I think that's what it's called. But for step one, we just have to plug in, what is this? The charging port? I think that's what it is. The home docking station. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plug it in to the wall. Home base. So we just plug that into the wall, and then step two is to just flip over the Roomba and pull the tab. So I'm gonna do that next. Ooh. It's kind of heavy. Okay, next I'm going to put it on the charger and let it charge. It says for 3 hours. So the vent is supposed to be facing me. So let's go put it on the charger. How do you know it's charging? Oh, there it is. It's charging. Okay guys, so since it's charging on the dock, I went ahead and I downloaded the iRobot Home app. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the app. It's just this iRobot app, and then once you click on it, you'll see that we named our robot Jeffrey from the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and it just shows that it's ready to clean even though it's still charging. So it shows the battery life on it, and then also it shows the schedule, so I can schedule what days of the week and what time I want it to clean. So I haven't done that yet, but I think I'm gonna have it scheduled to clean every day. And that's it making the noise. I just clicked it for Sunday. I think I want it to clean at, what time is it? I think I want it to clean at 9. I'll have it clean at 9 on Sunday. Same thing for Monday. Ava's messing with that thing. Same thing for Tuesday. What's today? What is today? So And then if you go on history, it'll show you how many cleaning jobs it's done. I don't know why it says 2 jobs. I think maybe when it went off of the thing. And it'll tell you the dirt count and then the total job time. And it has a little help, and it tells you the troubleshooting, the voice assistance, how the Roomba works, preparing my home, and getting started, and also the maintenance. And then in the settings, it tells you about Jeffrey, which is our Roomba. His birthday is December 31st. And then it just has like the serial number for it, and then it has the sound that Jeffrey will make whenever we need to locate him. And it just tells our Wi-Fi settings and the language, which is English, and basically that's it. Easy peasy. So now we're just waiting on Jeffrey to finish charging, and then whenever I want, I can just push the clean button. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but if I want to clean it, I'll just hit that button and then he should start cleaning, but we'll see how it works. He'll just go off his dock and start cleaning, so I will record that and show you guys what he's gonna do. Okay guys, Jeffrey is fully charged and he is scheduled to come on at been a few days since I've had Jeffrey the robot, and I wanted to come back on and give you guys a good review on it. So I've used it for a few days, and I wanted to tell you guys about charging it. I forgot to tell you guys in the beginning of the video, but I noticed that when you put it on the charger, it'll have a green light that comes on, and then the green light will disappear. Well, I read up on it in the manual, and I saw that it says that it does that to conserve energy, so I thought that was a good feature. Also, I noticed that when we're running it, it'll run in here, and then sometimes it'll go into our living room, and then it'll come back into this room. So we'll have to try to block off the areas that we don't want it to go to, or that we don't want it to continue to clean. And then another thing that we noticed that was really good was that when it goes onto the carpets, it does a really good job. So it'll leave the professional lines in the carpet. So I thought that was really cool. All in all, we would definitely recommend the robot. So it gets a big thumb up from me. So yeah, it was a really good purchase. So if you guys have one, let me know down in the comments below. Do you guys like your robot, or is it something that you guys would consider getting? Let me know down below. But that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.